The Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission DREAM, in collaboration with Bosco Integrated Development Society, conducted a series of anti-drug awareness programs across Police Bazaar and Yo Maulong, culminating at Normansong on Friday with the participants of 33 student interns from William Carey University. The initiative forms part of DREAM's efforts to scale up its student internship program aimed at mobilizing youth as peer-led champions in the fight against drug abuse. Unlike conventional awareness campaigns, the program adopted an interactive, youth-led approach, with student interns taking the lead through thematic skits, singing and dancing performances to promote the message of a drug-free life. A major highlight of the program was a skit based on the DREAM calendar, which features a QR code linked to a list of rehabilitation centers and their contact details. Organizers said the initiative was designed not only to spread awareness but also to provide practical support tools for individuals and families seeking help. According to DREAM, the internship program seeks to empower students to act as anti-drug ambassadors in their schools, colleges and communities by equipping them to conduct awareness campaigns, encourage peer counseling, foster open dialogue and promote early intervention. The mission also plans to expand the initiative by onboarding more student interns to build a larger network of youth leaders dedicated to combating substance abuse across the state.
Bun na pedeng jongi ngitip bat nginget ba kitu ki bala adik hau drop bun sin ki nget ba om dan show kalat kalenti ki ban pen kot pen khia hanrai em kadan kalat kalenti ki ko khun jonga ina pen khama chisha na kai mana shana mana manta Kajing kelameran, le ulah betul ya ke emlang salam. Kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran, kajing leranya kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran, kajing kelameran. Stand for life. Stand for hope. Stand for life.
We are doing a street play organized by the DREAM Mission in collaboration with Bosco Integrated Development Society. We are involving large number of students. The students today are from the William Carey University. We believe that spreading awareness against drugs or the fight against drugs should be led by the youth themselves. So we have initiated a number of internship programs where a large number of students are now interning with us. The idea is to promote them, to empower them, to spread the message of the dangers of drugs. And we believe with the youth power that we have, that we can harness, with the youth power that we can harness, we will be able to definitely fight this war against drugs.